Two popular project management tools face off today. One big question, which one truly works for your team? On the left, the all-in-one powerhouse, Bitrix24. And on the right, the focused, streamlined nTask. We're testing them in the areas that matter most. Task management, collaboration, integrations, support, pricing, and some surprises too. Let's ditch the big promises and see what really holds up. Each round scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown. And the final result might just catch you off guard. Let's get into it. Here's how we're going to tackle this. First up, we'll compare pricing, then cover features, collaboration tools, mobile and integrations, usability, and finally scalability. Each category has its own quirks. Some pretty important, some, maybe deal breakers. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with pricing. nTask really pulls ahead here, offering a lower entry price and a free trial across all its plans. If you're a budget hunter or just want to try before you buy, this is refreshing, honestly. Now, Bitrix24 does give you a pretty generous free plan packed with CRM and team comms, but honestly, if you want all the bells and whistles, those premium plans can get pricey fast. So for pure value, nTask slides in as the winner on this one. Next up, features, and oh man, Bitrix24 is just stacked. CRM, team chat, video calls, document drive, HR tools. It almost feels like too much sometimes. This is the do-it-all workspace, which is awesome unless you're a small team that just wants to, get things done without clicking around 5 million menus. nTask, by comparison, is much more streamlined. Great for tasks, time tracking, and even risk management, but stuff like CRM? Nope, you'll need to bring your own. So if you want the Swiss Army knife of features, Bitrix24 totally takes this round. Collaboration is kinda a big deal, so let's talk about that. Bitrix24 again flexes hard. It's got built-in chat, video meetings, and even a social intranet. Sounds impressive, but honestly, it can get confusing. Like, do I need a whole intranet just to send a file? nTask, on the other hand, keeps it simple with comments, meetings, and file sharing. No live chat or calls though, so if you want everything under one roof, Bitrix is your guy. That's why Bitrix24 wins in this category, though simplicity lovers might lean the other way. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Bitrix24 actually started as a free social intranet way back in 2012. Yep, it's been morphing into this mega tool ever since. Alright, mobile experience and integrations. Because who even works from just one device anymore? Both apps do a solid job here, honestly. Bitrix24 has a super advanced mobile app and offers integrations with pretty much everything, though getting it all set up can eat into your afternoon. nTask's mobile is smooth, and it has native integration with Slack, Google, even MS Teams. But heads up, not every integration is free. Still, it's kind of a tie both give a lot, just with slightly different vibes. Right, let's get real for a second about usability. This is where nTask really puts its foot down. It's clean, it's simple, seriously, you log in and you know what to do. Bitrix24? If you love control panels and have time to poke around, it can be a superpower. But if you're new, expect to learn a lot. For onboarding and everyday use, nTask just feels lighter, so it wins this one hands down. Last but not least, scalability. Bitrix24 is like, bring on the huge teams. It's built for massive orgs, and you can even run it on premises if you're into that. For small companies though, it might honestly feel like overkill. nTask absolutely shines for small to medium teams and freelancers, but if you ever become a mega enterprise, you might outgrow it. So Bitrix24 is the winner here for people with big dreams. Seeing it all mapped out, each platform has some standouts. Bitrix24 dominates on features, collaboration, and scaling up, while nTask is all about simplicity, ease of use, and that sweet price point. If any one of these categories is a deal breaker for you, it probably tips the scale. Here's my no-nonsense take. If your company is growing crazy fast or you want that full-blown business suite, CRM, chats, HR, all the jazz, Bitrix24 is your power move. But if you just want to manage projects without a learning curve, nTask keeps it breezy and super manageable. Both are strong, but Bitrix24 nabbed the overall win for being the ultimate all-rounder. If you enjoyed this comparison and want more straight-up SaaS reviews, follow along. I've got tons of these breakdowns